It's been a minute as I try not to die. Okay, welcome back. Ooh, I'm feeling like a busted can of biscuits. And by busted can of biscuits, I just mean I feel like my belly is overflowing. So, yes, we're back and at it. Excuse me. Where have I been? What have I been up to? School. I've been up to school. So, I've been up to school. It's very bright now. But yeah, it's been a fun time, you know. It's been, I've been working out. I just haven't been sharing it. So, let's do a jump rope workout. Let's do it. I'm ready. I'm at the basketball court because gym's closed. Let's do it. Stay hydrated. I believe these pants work with this jump. And before y'all come for me, I know you're supposed to have a little mat, you know, to jump on, so it won't hurt your knees or you won't feel the shock and all of that. Yeah. I'm good, okay? I appreciate the consent, but I'm okay without a mat. So I'm gonna do it without a mat. It's a little wet out here, you know. It's all right. We're gonna be all right. I got too excited. I literally have not jumped ropes in like 4 months, y'all. 4 months. It's been 4 months. Okay, that was a surprise. I did that actually pretty well. Okay, let's go. My math was all wrong. So in the 30 days of jump rope, y'all asked me how many minutes, how much time, how many jump ropes, all of that. So it was 30 minutes and I was doing 8 sets of 20 for 160 jump ropes. However, if I messed up my 20 sets, I would start over at 0 and it didn't count unless I did 20. So I'm gonna try to recreate that real quick just for one workout. So I did my 1 set of 20 already. All right, so here's my other. concerns. You might need a brace. You might need to rethink the workout and try to go easy. Stretching is good. I didn't stretch. I didn't stretch, so did y'all see me stretching? Stretch. I'll stretch after. But I felt a little bounce in my knee. It's just because I was trying to do something last minute. It might not mean that you can't jump rope. It might just mean the way your jump rope might be incorrect. So you want to make sure you're on. I'm pausing my 5. I got 4, 3 more. Then you're slightly here, you know, then you jump. So I just do this to get my jump rope. You don't want to jump too high. Jump too high, it can mess up your knee parts, all right? Don't jump too high, just a little. I got 2 more. Jesus, that's what I did before. It's 9:57. Now it's 10 minutes. All right. I wanted to show y'all that you can do this in 10 minutes. You can do 8 sets of 20 jump ropes. It'll get you to 160. And that's good. You know, it's a 10-minute workout. It's real quick. Before I was taking 30 minutes because I hadn't jump roped in so long. But you know, I ain't done it in 4 months and I was able to do it today. So you can do it. I believe in you. All right. This is a 10-minute jump rope workout. Just jumping rope, not doing extra. You know, for us plus size girls, you know, sometimes this is all you can do. And I gotta be at work later. So this is all I can do right now. So I'ma end my little time. Even with talking, I forgot to end my time, but even with talking, it was a quick 10-minute workout. You know, I'm gonna do a workout after work too. I'm probably gonna go, you know, lift some weights and do a little swim, you know. It is not warm here. I go to a gym that has a pool inside, right? But it's easy. So y'all be asking me, how much time? You know, I just did that in 10 minutes. I did 8 sets of 20. That's 160 jump ropes, you know, with my basic rope. It's not a weighted rope. It's the one I created, you know. It's the Our Souls jump rope. Y'all see that? All right, so we got the Our Souls jump rope. It's just a basic jump rope, no weights, 10 minutes, you know. 20 sets of 8 or 8 sets of 20. 8 sets of 20 for 160 jump ropes. Easy peasy. Y'all got this. Let's go. Let's do it. Make sure you like, you subscribe. See y'all. Whew, I'm sweating. I'll see y'all later. Peace.